In the words of the iconic Frank Sinatra, if you can make it here, you can make it anywhere. Welcome to Marymount, an exceptional student accommodation nestled in the very heart of New York City. Marymount offers an array of single and double bedroom apartments, and it's an absolute gem. Imagine stepping into a room with brand new carpeting, comfortable beds, spacious study station to kickstart your academic journey. What truly steals the show is the expansive window, framing the awe-inspiring view of the NYC skyline. In addition, the property also offers a host of ultra-modern amenities, including a state-of-the-art shared kitchen along with lightning-fast Wi-Fi for those uninterrupted Gordon Ramsay YouTube cooking classes. For snack cravings, there's a vending machine along with a fully equipped fitness center right at your fingertips. And yes, the on-site laundry facilities are a game-changer. When it comes to convenience, you're just a short 5-minute drive from the City University of New York. And when you're ready to explore the city, Lexington Avenue 53rd Street subway station is only 4 minutes away. With famous Upper East Side neighborhood close by, you might even find yourself abandoning sleep to explore the city that never sleeps. If you're ready to make this iconic skyline your muse, don't hesitate. Visit amberstudent.com and book your stay today.